All right, the focus question is, how can I determine the range of side lengths that will form a triangle? When you're drawing a triangle, building a triangle, when you're dealing with triangles, you can't just pick any three random numbers. There are some rules that apply to the different side lengths that will and will not form a triangle. So write this down. In a triangle, the sum of the two smaller sides must be greater than the third side.
Greater like the angles?
In a triangle, the sum of the two smaller sides. What does sum mean? What does sum mean to do, people? Add together. So the sum of the two smaller sides must be greater than the third side. Okay?
Isn't that always going to happen?
In triangles, it's always going to happen. It has to happen. It has to happen. The sum of the two smaller sides has to be greater than the third side. Okay? You're going to be asked questions today like, will 7, 13, and 4 form a triangle? Will 7, 13, and 4 form a triangle? Will those three side lengths form a triangle? No, the answer is no. Okay? The two smaller, the 7 and the 4 are the smallest sides. They've got to sum, their sum has to be greater than the third side. So their sum in this case had to be greater than 13. Okay? Those three lengths will not form a triangle. All right? Will 13, 18, 25 form a triangle?
Yes.
Will those three sides form a triangle?
Yes.
The two smaller sides are 13 and 18. 13 plus 18 is 31. 31 is greater than 25, so yes, they will form a triangle. Okay? Any questions on that? Do you understand why they will or will not form a triangle?
Yes.
Does everybody understand that part of it? Okay? If you were given, let's say that you were given, let's say will 3, 9, and 12 form a triangle? Okay? Do you see the grid marks on the wall? If we use that as a ruler, and these are 3 units each, and we make this 12 units long, all right? If that's 12 units long, and then we make this red piece 3 units long, meaning it's going to go from here to here, isn't it? And if we make the blue 9 units long, so that's got to take up 1, 2. If it's 9, it won't make it, will it? Okay? If the blue is 9 and the red is 3, the only time that they'll touch is when they are laying on top of the 12, exactly, right? And as soon as you start to form an angle between the blue and the red, they're not going to touch anymore. It's like a drawbridge. Okay? There has to be an overlap there. And that overlap has to be anything over 12. Anything over 12 will allow you to lift the blue and the red up off the black to form a triangle. Okay? So that's why the two smaller have to be greater than the third side. So this would be another no. Okay? Everybody clear on that? All right. The second part of the assignment today. You will use this rule. The range of values. The range of values for the third side of a triangle is between the difference and sum of the two given sides. The range of values for the third side of a triangle is between the difference and sum of the two given sides. Pretty straightforward. What does difference mean to do? Difference means to subtract. Sum means to add. We're trying to find a range of values. Okay, so you're going to be asked to find the range. Find the range of values for the third side given sides 14 and 21. So they're giving you two sides of a triangle. They're asking you to list all the possible lengths that can be used for the third side of the triangle. So this is real simple, okay? You find the difference of the two values. What's 21 minus 14? Okay, so you take the difference. Here's your difference. That's 7. Your range, we're going to call that x. And then you find the sum of the two given sides. 14 plus 21. 35. You point both your inequalities to the left. So the range of values for the third side of this triangle is anything greater than 7 and less than 35. Greater than 7 and less than 35 will form a triangle. Any of those lengths. So does 7 work? No, 7 won't work. It's got to be greater than 7. Okay? So anything above 7 to 35. Does 35 work? No. Does 20?
Yeah.
Okay? 20 will work. So that's the shortcut to find the range of values when you're given two sides of a triangle. Okay? Any questions there? You're going to be asked to do two things. You're going to be asked to find the range of values, and this is how you will list your range of values. You'll list it as a compound inequality. Okay? The other type of question you may see is, which, let's see. Which of the following will form a triangle given sides 8 and 13? Okay? Then a multiple choice test. Let's pretend we're a test writer. You're writing a quiz. You're going to give 4 different options here. Which of the following will form a triangle given sides 8 and 13? What would you make answer A?
8.
Okay. What would you make answer B? I would make, who said that? Yeah, I'd make it what? 5. Good call. What would you make answer C or D?
13. 21.
21, right? And have we listed the correct answer yet? Haven't listed the correct answer.
12.
Doesn't it have to be between 5 and 21? Yes, then maybe make the correct answer 12.
Well,
Okay.
8 have been the correct answer too.
No.
But
Yeah. Wait a minute. Could it? This is gonna. It's between 5 and 21, right?
yeah.
Why'd you list the correct answer first? We don't want the correct answer to be listed first. We added them, we subtracted them, yeah, and then just make up another number. Let's gotta be, yeah, let's go 25. Okay. All right. So where's the correct answer there? Answer C. That's the other type of question you'll have today. Okay? So any questions on determining if the 3 sides will form a triangle or finding the range of the third side? All right, your assignment for today is to answer the focus question. Answer the focus question first.